Now, could you tell me how long the roof coating will last?
Yes, the Epoxy Flex maintenance system, it shields the underlying roofing materials indefinitely. So you can easily plan on the product lasting for 50 plus years. The Epoxy Flex system, it's designed to wear from the top down, and what this does is it maintains the internal integrity of the underlying materials, your subroof, thus protecting your financial investment. With Epoxy Flex's value-added benefits and maintenance system, a building may retain its current roofing system indefinitely. Simply put, roof tear-offs may become obsolete. Unlike acrylic roof coatings, rain or air air conditioning puddles forming on the roof will cause no damage to the roof and not cause any leaks.
I see.